Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure Ignite Gallery for Joomla Free. So we're going to begin by installing it. So go to Manage, Install. I have already purchased a license, so I'll just upload a package file and do it from here. I can also separately install the module, which will let me display the gallery in a module anywhere on the website, or the search plugin so people can easily search for the gallery. So I'll just install the module. You can also do the content plugin, which will let you put a gallery inside a Joomla article. Now, having installed Ignite Gallery, it's time to configure it. So go to Ignite Gallery. And we need to start off by going into Profiles and create a new profile. You can call it anything you want. I'll call it Gallery, or actually Main Gallery. And it's got a number of options that are quite self-explanatory and useful to go through. And the main things that I look at is whether or not I want a large image to display, or if it will just be a whole bunch of thumbnail images on the gallery page. And if I do want a large image, I can choose what size it should have. And for the thumbnails, I can choose whether or not thumbnails will be shown, and how big they will be, and how they will display. I like to put them in a responsive grid, which will mean that they'll be shown side by side. And I can choose to enable or disable comments, Facebook likes, and so on. And then the light box is the pop-up that appears when people click on the thumbnail. I can choose whether to enable or disable, and how many pictures should be shown and how they're going to be shown in the pop-up. Now we'll create our first category in Ignite Gallery. I'll call this our main category because I'm going to put all my other categories underneath this category. Save and close. So it's already got a link here to manage images, but I'll create an extra category. I'll call it test, and it will be published and underneath the main category. There we go. So I can then create a menu link that will display the main category and all the categories beneath it. And I find this to be a very useful way to display a number of categories of images on the website. I click Manage Images, and here I can click and drag photos across and drop them here, or simply click Add Files to find files on my computer to upload. Let's just put some sample pictures there right now. And I click Start Upload, and it will now work its way through uploading the images. Once we've uploaded the images, we can scroll down to see them. We can click to edit the descriptions, or the tags, or even the links for each image. And we can also rotate them around if we need to. And finally, we need to create a menu link. So we go to Menus, and we'll go to our main menu, add a new menu item, called Ignite Gallery, and we'll call it Display Category. We can also create a link to front-end image management, which allows authorized users to manage the pictures in the Ignite Gallery. But for now, I just want to display the images in a category and the child categories. So I select the main category, and it will then show also the ones underneath it. And I'll call this Gallery. I'll save and close. I go to my website, and I go to the gallery, and the gallery is showing the category called Test. Okay, I'll click into the Test category. Here it shows the main image and then the smaller thumbnail images, and I can change how this is displayed in the profile section of Ignite Gallery. So I hope this helps, and is a good example of how to use Ignite Gallery. If I wanted to improve it on this website, I'd make sure the gallery fills the width of the entire page. Going back to Ignite Gallery, there's one more feature I need to show you. So in any part of Ignite Gallery, you need to go into the options area to see some more details in regards to how it works. So here you can allow or disallow users to edit images from the front end, and you can allow or disallow ratings, set up whether images being uploaded will be moderated or not, and also allow various other front-end features. A very important one is the new item defaults. So you can default where categories should be created, and I would like them all to be under main category in this case. I can default new categories to be published, default new images to be published as well, and under uploads I can choose the maximum file size for pictures being uploaded, and can choose to resize them. And I like them being resized because it saves room on the server. But normally, in my case, I'd like the resizer to have them at a smaller dimensions. So max width 1000 pixels, max height 800, which is basically close to full screen for most users. And max width for original image, again I'll put that down to 1000 and 800 just to save space. And that's it. So that's just some extra options for you here in Ignite Gallery, which will help ensure that it runs really smoothly.